Hello. I'm here with Cassandra, and this cat is ruining my vlog. But we're in
Grand Bend.
We're in Grand Bend. Cassandra, this is my best friend Cassie. She owns an event company marked by CR, and I am her worker today. I'm helping her with an event today. So we are in Grand Bend, about to set up for someone's 30th birthday. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. Okay, we're setting up the space. Let me show you. Beautiful dining table over there. So if you're in GTA and you have event needs, this is the one. This is the one. Okay, this is the cake for the 30th birthday, and Cassie used the same vendor who did my wedding cake, and it is so good. And the sun is not doing anything for this, but look at it. You guys have to take in these place settings. Like, look at the charger plates with the rose petals. Stunning. And I love the goblets. Amazing. And it's the gold cutlery for me. Girl. All in a day's work. Now we're gonna go out in Grand Bend and grab dinner and then come back to clean up. Hard work all day today, guys. Hard work. Okay, so Cassandra and I were trying to go get like sushi in the one sushi place that Grand Bend has, and they don't have, you can't sit down, and in their region you can actually sit at restaurants, but ain't nobody here. Like, please take in this. There's a cat across the street there. There's nobody here. I think I could lay in the road.
This is crazy.
Oh, okay, here's a car. Everything is closed. It's 7 p.m. by the way. So we turned around and went back to the sushi place to get takeout, because we're like, you know what, we can sit in the car and eat. It's fine. And we pulled up and she locked the gate. Now we have nowhere to eat, and we have 3 hours to kill.
Like, literally.
And we haven't eaten. Like, I ate lunch, you didn't.
2 boiled eggs. No big deal. 2 boiled eggs. Two.
I cannot. I want to cry. So we found a bar. Look at her impressed face. Look at this. Yeah. Hopefully the food is good. The drinks look good. We just need some food and some sustenance before we go back and break this shit down. How's the food so far? You've had first bite.
You know I always have the first bite.
I know. Did you like the burger? Okay. And the truffle fries, I tried and they were good. And now I'm gonna have a bite of the burger, and the pierogies look delicious. It's like 6. We're in Hamilton. Please take this in. We're about to shoot. Not we. I'm here helping. They're about to shoot a car commercial. Please take this in. Hey, Josh.
Oh, is it like we live?
I'm
live on the
vlogging.
vlog?
They're setting that shit up. Jerome, Daryl. This is the car. It's finally my time to help. I've been sitting in the car since 4:30. Anyways, I'm driving. Daryl's worked in the back, and he's gonna be filming the car back there. This is how he was.
Wow.
Hi guys, I'm back. So today has been really productive after plant momming. I had a couple meetings, and now I'm here. Put on a face. I picked up some mail, and I got a package I've been waiting for. Somebody went shopping. Me. I'm somebody. And it's my first of the brand. I'm very excited. And it's pink. Unboxing. So here's the dust bag. Cute. With the pink font. This is so girly. And then some information, I guess. Let me show you. while I unbox. Ah, so good. So good. Oh my god, I love them. They're like a green leather with the python print. And you guys know I love a snake print. Obviously, I have so much of it. And green. I realize I really like green. Oh my god. Love, love, love. Okay, I'll show you how I'll style it. Dressed down, but I'm definitely gonna style it super dressed up. Okay, the lighting is so trash in my living room against this mirror, but okay, this is my casual look for it. This is just like an oversized t-shirt with side slits from Le Cavalier. Can you even see that? Yeah. And then my faux leather pants, which I'm always wearing, especially fall winter. And then the boots. So this is like super casual. I love that you can dress them down, but obviously you can dress them up. But just like variety, and the heel is short enough that I feel like they're not going to be so uncomfortable. Okay, see you guys tomorrow or the next day. What's up? It's Saturday. We're on road. I'm a road dog. He's going to pick up some gear for a music video he's shooting tomorrow. I am tagging along because there is a sandwich spot that I saw on Instagram that I would like to try. My whole life is run by food, so I thought I would vlog today, show you guys my sandwich. Gotta dye my hair today, do my eyebrows today, so we'll do all of that starting with the sandwich. Okay, we are downtown. I secured the sub or the sandwich. I got the classic, I think. Hold on, it's the classic combo. It's huge. Alright. I'm excited. One thing about me is I love a sandwich. I love me a sandwich. Okay, that looks yummy. Woo. Oh, that looks good. That is humongous. That was a good deli sandwich. Ooh, I can taste the salami. I love salami. Love salami. Okay. I'm gonna finish my sandwich, go home, and start my hair. And I'll see you guys then. Okay, back home now. Still looking like a hot mess. Now I'm gonna start my beauty shop day. We're gonna start with my hair. I don't know if you guys can see here. But yeah, that's my gray patch and it sabotages me all the time. It grows really, really fast. I usually have to dye my roots like every month and a half, 2 months. I mean, I'm rude and I just let it grow like this. A lot of people would touch it up faster than I did. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that today, and then I'm gonna laminate my eyebrows today as well. Probably do some like mask and stuff. Beauty shop. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through my routine with you guys. Okay, so I'm using the Agora Royal. This is, I can't pronounce it, Schwarzkopf. This brand here. I tend to try different brands. This one's really, really good. I feel like it lasts the longest, but this is a little bit pricier, which is not that pricey at all. It's like $16, $20. So I'm using the dark brown. Crazy. So I dyed my hair. I'm waiting 45 minutes for it, and then I'm gonna wash it out. I just started my eyebrows, so I'm perming them right now. I'll have them done before the hair is done, but I have a full tutorial on Instagram on how to do brow lamination, so I'll link it below so you guys can see it if you're interested. But yeah, this is beauty shop day, and it's kind of crazy until it's all done. And just like that, I'm done. My hair is covered My gray patch is covered. Letting it air dry tonight. My eyebrows are, if you come in focus, fluffy. Fluffy. I do need to wax a bit, but I'll do that tomorrow or sometime this week. I have my spot treatment on my face. And Daryl and I are about to pour up. I know I'm vlogging, but you can come pick a wine with me. Is there a little wine situation? So I'm going to my dad's place because he got eye surgery and I'm going to help for a couple days, help him visit. Daryl can't come because he'll be on set for the rest of the week and just around a lot of people, and we got COVID tested, so I was trying to go before he started being around people again, and he's on set today, so I'm leaving before he gets back. Anyways, so as I was cooking and packing, this is what happened. This is the front of our place, and we have like this shoe rack here, which is worthless, obviously, it's plastic. And then a small shoe rack there, and it collapsed because I had so many shoes on there. So I had bought one a couple weeks ago, and I just hadn't built it because I hadn't built it yet. Because I could tell like this thing has been leaning and it was gonna break. So now I have to build this thing and get this shit organized before I leave. So I thought, you know what, let's just vlog. Let's start the vlog today while I'm doing this. So here we go. Okay, I think this is gonna be way better considering like this floppy little one was skinnier. This one's metal and it's so much taller. Okay, there's not even like walking room. These are all the shoes that collapsed off of the old shoe rack. I just got this up. I'm gonna put my boots at the top, and I love that it has these like side parts, so these side, so they're not gonna fall over. Okay, we are done. I am tired. Is that the best angle I can give you guys? Okay, so this is the small rack. Honestly, I should put like 2 of these. And this is humongous. I love that it has this side thing so my boots don't fall over. Your girl is wrecked. This lighting is not good for me either. Look crazy. Anyways, I'm about to finish packing and then get out of here, go to my dad's. I will see you guys next vlog day. It's so bright. Hanging out at my dad's with my sister. We're leaving the crib for a little bit and going to get our ears pierced. And look at my choice of clothing. I found these sneakers downstairs while I was doing laundry. Like, throw it back, girl. Throw it back. Yeah. Now her turn. Okay, so now that I'm out of the loudness, I got my 8th and 9th ear piercing, I think. Yeah, so I have an additional one here and a third. I got my 3rd re-pierced over here, which is annoying. But now we're leaving. Got my road dog.
I look dusty. I just came back from work. So.
It's okay. I have like mask knee.
And the light is never on my side.
I have
worse. So
so much mask knee. Like, why I'm breaking out so much from this damn mask. Anyways,
mask, detox.
Right, I can't wait to get home.
I did that yesterday.
We are gonna go pick up sushi for road, and then we're gonna be back home. Yeah. Okay, hey guys. Exciting times. Our new couch that I bought in like mid-August. It's November now. It's arriving tomorrow. So today they're getting rid of our old couch, and I probably should have vlogged that, but they're out there. I have a video, a story, so I'll show you guys my old couch. But yeah, it's going. The text has hit my phone. Our couch is 15 minutes away. I am so stoked. Now, we ordered from Urban Barn. I think I told you guys yesterday, and I ordered the white glove service. But since COVID started, they have canceled that. So I think they're gonna drop off the couch in boxes at the door, and we have to build it ourselves. So I'll show you guys. But I'm so stoked because this life, I've been sitting on this chair watching TV and stuff. This ain't it. This ain't it. So I'm so excited. Okay, so it was really dark in here last night, so I wanted to wait until morning to show you guys the couch. But it's all set up, and we got some figuring out to do because my whole living room is like very dark tones. Like the rug is deeper tone, like the stone, like this isn't bad, it's not dark tone, but they all kind of went together, you know, like deeper tones, like the shelving. Everything is darker, but the couch is a little bit lighter. It's like a light gray with like a blue undertone, so I need to figure this out. But I wanted to show it to you guys. I'm obsessed. I think also we have to get rid of this because it's too big. Well, not get rid of it. Put it in storage and buy a new one. It's too big. But it's like my favorite coffee table in the world. Like, it's so good. It's like a wine holder and it's stone. It's heavy as hell. But this is it. And you guys will just take in. Like, it's such a good couch for a small space. It's like a living room bed. It's so good. And what else I love about this is that it's like a mini sectional, and this part right here moves. So if I wanted to make the section, like the longer side on this side, I could just push it over and switch the cushions. So yeah, anyways, that's my living room. I guess I'll keep you guys updated on the decor things that I do to try to like bring it together, because I don't want to go out and change everything. Like, this is a condo that we rent. We want to buy a house, so like I don't want to spend too much money on this, but I'll keep you guys updated on the things that I do buy. But yeah, I'm super excited, and I'm gonna cut off the vlog here because this is the longest vlog. Like, it's so long. If you made it to the end, I'm so impressed. Thank you for being here. And I guess I'll see you guys next time.